What's up, Pundi X Holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for Pundi X Holder. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, to subscribe this channel. And first of all, I have one big question for Pundi X Holder. Pundi X Holder, I asked you one question for all of you. If you are a Pundi X Holder, then please answer this question. Okay, the question is that to a Pundi X coin gone up, then what you do, and this time sell, buy, what you do. Please ask which question I ask. Please answer this question. Absolutely, this very important question from all holders. Please answer this. To a Pundi X gone up, then what you do, what are you doing, selling or buying or holding? Please answer just and simple. Yes, we holding. Yes, we sell, we buy. Okay, everyone, please answer this question. Very important question. Please answer. So let's get started this brand video price prediction. If you are new on this channel, hope you are new and you enjoy my video, please subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel, my brother. Please, this is very informative video. Please subscribe. Okay, Pundi X Holder, if you can check out, the latest price is 0.006977 US dollar, and Pundi X totally goes down. So all Pundi X holder ask me this question. This is very simple and easy question, but I don't know why Pundi X holder asked me this question. A Pundi X holder asked me this question to what we do in this same situation, just and a few, and though just in the last 1 week, totally Pundi X goes down. So we sell, we hold, what we do. So this is very important question, but we solve this question at the end of this video. If we check out the all charts, the all results, the market cap, everything in this video. So let's check out the market cap of this video. This is the Pundi X coin. So to what's going on in the market cap. If you check out, the market cap is totally go down, and this is the one reason to this is the start of month. Everyone understand this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrencies goes down in those days. If you check out here, the full diluted market cap is also goes down. 0.01% goes down, but this is small, but it's a negative, so absolutely very bad. If you can check out the volume of 24-hour, absolutely and minus. So Pundi X holder, this is also a negative. So let's check out the last the chart of last 24-hour, and then we decide to hold, sell, buy. What we do, I'm also holder of 9 cryptocurrencies, and Pundi X is one of them. Okay, so if you check out here, the result as the price is totally gone up. Oh my goodness, 0.012329 US dollar. Oh my goodness, absolutely very high jump. And I hope if they gone like this, absolutely they cross it 1 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross 1 US dollar? Also said it as the comment. Okay, do this and a comment. Okay, please, this is very important. So share your opinion to sell or buy also. Okay, I also share my opinion in this video. So let's check out the last 7 days result, guys. The last 7-day result has also gone because important, because some holder asked me question to Pundi has totally gone from before 7 days. So let's check out the last 7 days result, and then we decide to really they gone down, or our people are oh my goodness, absolutely, you can see here they are totally goes down. We are really, people ask, absolutely people are correct. So all holder is correct, you can see here, but they take us some time, jump like a rocket. Oh my goodness, absolutely, this is very high jump, but sometimes they gone down. So this is the one reason, and I explained already in this video. But the graph result is totally, you can see here the level is here, but they gone absolutely and very fastly, grow up fastly. But this take a small dumps, absolutely very bad, but I hope in upcoming day they going up like a rocket. So my opinion is just to absolutely this is good time to you just buy more. If you have any plan, then this is a good time to you buy it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good result. What you say, can they give you a good result at the end of this month? Also please share your opinion in a comment box. Absolutely very important for every holder of Pundi X. My opinion, please buy If you have any plan to buy more, and if you have no plan, then hold your coins, okay, and wait for the mid of this month or wait for the end of this month and sell it. I hope they make you a millionaire, they give you a good profit. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel. If you need this type more informative videos, please press the bell icon also for videos notifications. See you next time.